And what we really need is a skill set that enables us to navigate the complexity, not eliminate the complexity, because we just can't.
Listen, if I'm going to do this thing, if I want to master my ship, if I want to get to where I need to be, if I want to go to where I want to go, if I want to be the person that I really want to be, I've got to pay attention to what's going on around me. I've got to look and see what's really happening all around, because it's not enough to put blinders on and trudge straight forward and not pay attention to the periphery.
Knowing if an environment is good or bad is kind of the easy thing to discern, but once you make that diagnosis or discernment, what do you do with that information?
And if we're only ever thinking about the past and how the past works, we're never really going to be able to see where we're going. And if
the world was complicated, but now it's complex. It's integrated to the point where it can't be reduced.
You have an empirically based, scientifically rigorous and valid idea to lead and manage well, but it's got to be based on the premise that where I'm standing at tomorrow is going to be completely different, or today is going to be completely different tomorrow.
You are back and forth, past, present, future, boom, boom, boom. And in the middle of that, bam, this great idea strikes you.
My job is to help you become better at whatever it is you do.